Hello guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can archive an email. By archiving your email, you'll be removing it from your primary list and it will no longer appear on your list of emails unless you unarchive it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So for this I'm going to show you how you can do it in Gmail. So I'll go to my Gmail account. Here I am on my Gmail account, and then just identify the email or the thread that you want to archive, and you can just go ahead and open that email. In my case, I want to archive this email. Once you have opened the email you want to archive, you can just go over on top here. You can see we have an option to archive, so go ahead and just click on it, and conversation has been archived. So that's how you can archive an email. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.